2016 Nissan Rogue. The stylish Rogue gets 27 mpg and still boasts nearly 58 cubic feet of cargo space. With a 5-star side impact safety rating and confident handling, the Rogue is more than you expect and everything you deserve. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, traction control, power liftgate, keyless entry, anti-lock braking system, navigation system, backup camera, all-wheel drive, steering wheel audio controls, leather-wrapped steering wheel, Bluetooth, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, cruise control, keyless start, 4-wheel disc brakes, aluminum wheels, premium sound system, climate control. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.